Okay, BOOZHOO Nij NANABOOZHOO, and welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
The podcast. I said that terribly. Want to try it again?
Yeah, okay. Okay, BOOZHOO Nij NANABOOZHOO, and welcome back
To BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
the podcast
about OJIBWE language.
and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha.
And today, we got a really good show, don't we, sweetie?
We sure do. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Michael Lyons.
Oh, what? Floating down through the clouds, memories come rushing up to me now. But in the space between the heavens and the corner of some foreign field, I had a dream. Goodbye, Max. Goodbye, Mom. After the service, when you're walking slowly to the car, and the silver in her hair shines in the cold November air, you hear the tolling bell and touch the silk in her lapel. And as the teardrops rise to meet the comfort of the bed, you take her frail hand and hold on to the dream.
This is Randy Peone on KRES Radio, voice of the Coeur d'Alene Indian Reservation. It's time for the morning traffic report on this rainy bicentennial 4th of July. It's what Lester falls apart, the KRES traffic man down at the crossroads.
A place to stay, enough to eat, somewhere old heroes shuffle safely down the street, where you can speak out loud about your doubts and fears. And what's more, no one ever disappears. You never hear their standard issue kicking in your door. You can relax on both sides of the tracks, and maniacs don't blow holes in bandsmen by remote control. And everyone has recourse to the law, and no one kills the children anymore. No one kills the children anymore.
A big truck just went by.
Night after night, going round and around my brain.
Just got a news bulletin that says
The street
Manny and John
is driving me insane.
your house. And remember, it's BYOF. Bring your own fireworks.
In the corner of a foreign field, a gunner sleeps tonight. What's done is done. We cannot just write off this final scene. Take heed of the dream.
Oh, wow, that was great. Wasn't that good, sweetie?
Oh yeah, nice song, Michael. All right, there you have it. Michael Lyons singing. What was that song? It was called Gunner's Dream by Pink Floyd. Oh, I really like that song. All right, there you have it. Gunner's Dream.
By Pink Floyd.